Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your iPhone and log in using your account with your Gmail, email or phone number and password. Once you are logged in, Binance may automatically show a prompt asking you to enable your biometric login. If you see the message, just tap enable. Your phone will ask you to confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID. If you don't see it, don't worry. Look for the profile icon, then tap on security or security and privacy. Inside the section, find biometric authentication or passkey. Tap it and iPhone will ask you to confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID. Just follow the instruction on the screen, look at your phone and place your finger on the sensor and you are set. Now, the next time you open the Binance, you will have the option to use Face ID or Touch ID instead of entering your password. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.